The massage therapy specialist may perform some tests to learn specifically which muscles are included, and preferably customize a treatment plan to suit you. The therapy may include deep tissue job, stretches, muscle mass energy strategies, Swedish massage therapy, myofascial release massage, trigger point therapy methods, as well as dry needling. Conditions such as sciatic nerve pain, carpal tunnel, rigid crick necks, migraines and headaches, sports injuries and also other problems can be alleviated with a massage. To determine where the discomfort is originating from. As soon as recognized, a massage therapy specialist can decide on the most effective strategy to alleviate the rigidity and also often persistent discomfort. Massage therapists likewise have the benefit of having the ability to function freelance or contract for different business or benefit themselves. Nonetheless, like all careers, there are some that are much better than others, so make sure you do your research study as well as due persistence. Read reviews, testimonies, research study on Google, Facebook and also the sort prior to trusting your body with any kind of old massage therapist. If you have muscle stress or persistent discomfort, a massage might profit you. The massage therapy specialist will evaluate you, as well as explain why you are limited, stiff and also aching. The massage therapy therapist might execute some examinations to find out exactly which muscular tissues are entailed, and preferably customize a treatment plan to suit you.